Unlock the art of paper folding. Discovering origami workshops. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of origami workshops. Whether you're new to English or looking to expand your vocabulary, this video will unfold the meaning behind these two words and explore how they come together to form an interesting concept. So, let's get started. Origami is a traditional Japanese art form that involves folding paper into various shapes and figures, ranging from simple designs like cranes to complex structures like dragons. The word origami itself is a combination of two Japanese words, ori, meaning folding, and gami, which is paper. In this section, we will explore the history and significance of origami in Japanese culture. A workshop refers to a meeting or a class where a group of people engage in intensive discussion or activity on a particular subject or project. Workshops are usually interactive and hands-on, making them a great environment for learning and creativity. In this part of the video, we'll look at what typically happens in a workshop and how it differs from a regular class or lecture. Combining origami and workshop, we get origami workshops. These are sessions where individuals, either beginners or advanced learners, come together to learn and practice the art of paper folding. We'll discuss what you can expect in an origami workshop, the skills you might learn, and why these workshops are not just about crafting but also about cultural appreciation and creativity. In this section, we'll delve into the benefits of attending an origami workshop. From improving fine motor skills and enhancing concentration to experiencing a new culture, origami workshops offer a unique blend of educational and therapeutic benefits. We'll hear from people who have attended these workshops and how it positively impacted their lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of origami workshops. We hope this video has not only helped you understand the term better but also sparked your interest in exploring this beautiful art form. Remember, language learning is not just about words, it's about understanding the culture and stories behind them. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.